Hi all, myself I am Manik Sundari, Department of History, my college St. Mary's College, Autonomous Thuthukudi. My topic is growth of art. Introduction. The Nayaks ruled Tamil Nadu with Madurai, Tanjore and Senchi as their capital in 17th and 18th century. They showed much interest on the growth of art and architecture. The temples, mandapams, gopurams, palaces and public buildings constructed during this period contributed much for the development of art. Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple. Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple is the best example to the development of art and architecture in Tamil Nadu. It is a huge and attractive temple with 8 847 feet length and 729 feet breadth. They revealed the architectural beauty of the temple. Meenakshi Amman Temple also contains the historic importance thousand pillar mandapams. The painting of the period were famous. The marriage scene of Sundaresa Perumal, the sons of Meenakshi Amman, image of Rani Mangammal and Sokanathan and 64 Thiruvilayadal dance of Siva were decorated beautifully with painting. Perumal Kovil Mandapam. The Kanakashabha Mandapam located near the Perumal Temple Mandapam at Periyurpatti in Salem district belonged to the period of Nayaks. It was very attractive. It contained 28 pillars arranged in rows. Tharamangalam Kailasanadar Koil Mandapam at Salem. The sculpture contained in the pillars of Kailasanadar Temple Mandapam at Tharamangalam in Salem district is belong to Nayak period. Dindikal Thirumal Koil. The Thirumal Koil found at Tadikombu near Dindikal also belong to the period of Nayaks. It contains large number of sculptures. Alagar Koil Mandapam at Madurai. The Alagar Koil Mandapam is situated near Madurai. One of the most powerful and famous Alagar Koil Mandapam. Krishnapurath Koil at Tirunelveli. The Ara Mandapam is constructed in Krishnapurath Koil at Tirunelveli. It contains of the Nayaks period. Most of the sculpture were religious oriented. Sculpture in Nellaiyappar. Nellaiyappar Koil is also contains pillar. The pillars are decorated with various types of attractive sculpture. They were also religious oriented. Sivan Koil Mandapam of Tenkasi. The beautiful sculpture in the Sivan Koil Mandapam of Tenkasi also belonged to Nayak period. Thiruvaikunda Thirumal Koil. The Thirumal Koil is located at Thiruvaikundam. It contains a number of sculptures in the pillars of the mandapam. They belong to Nayak period. These sculptures are also religious oriented. Painting. The paintings of the Nayaks are found in the temples of Madurai, etc. Most of the painting of Nayak resemble to the Vijayanagar period. Painting are religious oriented. Generally for painting green, red, yellow and black colors were used in the Nayak period. Architecture. The most important monument of this period was palace constructed by Tirunelveli Nayak. The palace was 160 feet length and 100 feet breadth. It revealed the artistic skill of this period. It was a typical example of the temple. Conclusion. The rulers of this period patronized music and drama, occupied an important palace during festivals. In short, the Nayak periods. Thank you.